I actually got the home from my parents. It was the house he built, and I grew up in it. So when they bought a new house on the lake, he said, hey, the house on Morgan City is yours if you want it. So we moved back from Lafayette. My wife, Tracy, she's like, I'm ready to start fixing it up. You know, it's time to make it our home. The house had already been repaired, as far as foundation repair done by another company. When I turned to do the pool house, the problem that we had with this building was it's 9 inches under grade. Came across Davie Shoring and just started looking at their data on the internet. I gave him a call and then did all their measurements and everything else, and he gave us a quote, and we were surprised at the quote. It was half the cost of anybody else that said they were going to come out and even touch it. Now we're here. They were very quick to start getting after it because they had to do some testing to see how many piles it was going to take to drive all the rest. They already had 3 holes dug and pressing piles in a matter of an hour. Very hard working, very clean, getting to the point. I definitely like Davie Shoring over the other options. Yeah, it was an easy process. You know, he came, he saw, and he did his measurements. We came up with a plan, and we moved, and we got it done. Like I said, they've gotten more accomplished in 2 days than the other companies did in a week. I just appreciate all the help they're doing and coming out, and they're taking care of what they got to take care of, and that's the good thing.